How to change language on WeChat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change language on WeChat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WeChat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as general. And now here, in this section, you'll see the option labeled as language. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear, which will lead you to the next screen. Now here, you can simply select the language, and here once you're done selecting the language, you can just tap on save. And once you do that, the language will be converted to that particular language that you have selected. And that's it. That's how you can change language on WeChat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.